All right, lunchtime, and I am having fusilli with shrimp, capers, and cream sauce. This is absolutely delicious. I love the way the fusilli just soaks up all the cream sauce into all those little ridges, so you really get a lot of flavor in this thing. And then we've got the capers, a little bit of caper sauce in there, or the juice from the capers, which just punches it up. And it's not just cream, it's cream cheese, and sour cream in a mixture that just makes this absolutely delicious. Yes. Oh. So, quite easy to make. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. All right, to make our fusilli with shrimp, capers, and cream sauce, just a couple of ingredients here. Over here, I've been cooking 12 ounces or 340 grams of fusilli, that's the twisty pasta, and just cook them by package directions. In this case, it's a 9-minute pasta, so cook for 9 minutes in boiling water. I always add a lot of salt in there too. When you salt the water, it just really makes a difference in the flavor of the pasta itself. Then over here, well, main ingredient, the shrimp. This is 1 pound or 450 grams of cooked and peeled little shrimp, and I just get them from IKEA because they've got fantastic, they come like this, flash frozen, they're really delicious. Unthaw them, I give them a quick rinse and drain, ready to go. Here we have 2 tablespoons of butter, and let's get that going right away. We're gonna put the butter in here. We'll turn that up onto about a medium low. We don't want it too hot because we're putting garlic in and garlic burns easily. So I'm gonna put that at medium low, get that butter melting. While that's butter is melting, let's look at the rest of the ingredients here. 2 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of capers, the small ones. I like the small, you can get any size, but I like the small ones because they distribute better. And then a tablespoon of the juice that the capers came in. That just adds a little zing to everything. A 1/4 cup of sour cream, a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, like 35% cream, and 6 ounces or 170 grams of cream cheese. So we've got our butter melting. I'm going to toss in the garlic. And well, we don't want to cook garlic long. A minute or less. We're just kind of sauteing it a little bit. So let's get that moved around in there. All right, not even a minute. That's good enough. It started to brown. We don't want to brown too much. In go the shrimp. In go the capers. The caper sauce or juice. And the salt and pepper. All right, now what we're going to do is for about 5 minutes we're going to cook this, just to get everything a little basically we're kind of cooking the shrimp already cooked, but we're kind of just browning them just a little bit, just giving a little flavor from and getting that caper flavor in there. So let's cook those for 5 minutes and come back and we'll add the rest of the ingredients. All right, that's been cooking for 5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, doesn't really matter that much. Smells good. Let's mix in, we've got the cream cheese. And this isn't really one of those soft cream cheeses, so the old style cream cheese. So we get that in there and it's going to melt a bit. So we just kind of mix it around. Let's get in the cream and the sour cream. And for the sour cream, I'm just going to use this to get it out of there. All right, get that in there. And now just mixing breaking up that cream cheese so it's going to melt, and mixing it in with the shrimp. Just kind of stir it around. What we're going to do now, we're going to do this, keep doing this, and cook this for about another 5 minutes. So I'll see you in 5 minutes. We're going to have nice creamy shrimp, and then we're going to add in the fusilli. All right, that's cooked for about 5 minutes. I just kept mixing it till all the cream cheese was dissolved and creamed in there. And then it started simmering. So I simmered it for a while. Look at that. It's just lovely creaminess in there. So let's turn that off. In the meantime, I drained the fusilli. So we're going to add the fusilli into this lovely mixture. Get that out of the way. And just combine it. Just mix, mix. See what happens with fusilli. This is why I love fusilli. Fusilli has all those little ridges, and they're just going to soak up all that cream and this. Oh, look at that. It's just all soaking in there. There's actually nothing left at the bottom of the pot anymore, even though there was a lot of creaminess down there. It's all in the ridges of the fusilli. This is going to be delicious. All right. Oh, sorry, I've got a lick. It just, the flavors, from the sour cream and the cream cheese, the capers, then you got the shrimp. Let's serve some up. Yeah, look at that. You see shrimp, capers, just all in there. And all that creaminess. That is a fantastic lunch or dinner. Enjoy. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for fusilli with shrimp, capers, and cream sauce on our website. So go print out the recipe, have fun making and eating this delicious creamy treat, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.